make EHOUMAKI, but it's okay. Yeah, drawing. Yeah. Yes. Nice. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, you can put more. Okay, more. Okay. I will not spill the rice. Okay. Alright, like this. Good.
We had EHOUMAKI.
The rice smells good.
It smells really good.
Nice. It looks really nice. Yeah. I'll get the materials.
Biboo, do you want to introduce what the items are?
Hi.
We have tamago.
Yeah, egg.
And cucumber.
Yes. It sounds a bit similar. Then
sake. And maguro. And kanikama.
Yeah, good.
Pepperoni.
We can find sausage legend. Oh, okay. Yeah, chopsticks. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Biboo, can you chopstick?
Yeah, of course I can chopstick.
Ooh. Yeah, it really looks good. Roll this way.
Okay.
Okay, so Biboo, you can try
me?
to
Okay.
cut. Do we eat?
Okay.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cheese.
Oh, do I use the mat?
Yeah. Oh, good. Nice. Yeah.
Use all the strength.
Okay.
Yeah. And that is all the ingredients.
Like that? And then more?
It looks beautiful.
Oh, yeah, beautiful.
Okay. Tight. Kill it.
Looks like EHOUMAKI.
Wait. I'm not done.
It's not yet. Not yet. Oh, Biboo.
Okay, there we go. And then the reveal. Unveiling. Ta-da!
We can cut.
Tomorrow is. Don't worry about today. Tomorrow's another day. It's all good.
Oh, good.
I did not cut my finger.